Floridians woke up this morning to devastation across the state, left behind by Hurricane Helene. The storm made landfall as a powerful Category 4 hurricane. Dozens of people had to be rescued from their homes as floodwaters continued to rise. Many homes have been washed away by fast-moving floodwaters as they were pounded by wind and rain. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says the rescues continue. So far, 2 fatalities have been confirmed.
Overnight, as soon as it was safe to do, and even in many cases probably wasn't perfectly safe to do, search and rescue operations were conducted to help people that were in distress and transport them to safety. These missions continue, but we've had thousands of missions successfully completed in the overnight hours throughout the state.
At least 6 states are under state of emergency as Tropical Storm Helene batters the southeast after slamming into Florida's Big Bend.